Hello everyone, I'm Tutor Fryston. Now we have a equation which is 9 power x plus 1 plus 3 power 2x plus 1, which is equal to 36. So now we are going to deal with this question, which is now here we have x power 9 power x plus 1, then plus 3 power 2x plus 1, which is equal to 36. Now we are going to deal with this question which we have. Now if you have let's provide solution. Very quickly. Now here we have 9x plus 1, this is power x plus 1, then plus 3 power 2x plus 1, which is equal to 36. Here 36, by finding its factor 36 here, you can get by 2 to get 18, by 2 to get 9, by 3 to get 3, by 3 here again to get 1. To mean that here we have 2 power 2, which is equal to 4 times 9. To mean that here we have this one will bring that here we have 9x plus 1 plus 3 power 2x plus 1, which is equal to 4 times 3 squared. Now we have been changed this 9 to 3 power 2, just following the same to these numbers we have here. We want to have a base of 3. As we have it here we have 9 will be equal to 3 squared, then times again this one plus 3, 2 squared plus 1, which is equal to 4 times 3 squared. Now this 2 is going to multiply inside here to get 3, 2x plus 2, then plus 3, 2 power x, 3 power 2x plus 1, which is equal to 4 times 3 squared. As we know, here we are going to apply this formula, which is when we have a for example power n plus m, this one is equal to a power n times a power m. This is what I'm going to do here. This one will be equal to 3 power 2x times times 3 power 2, then plus, and this one we are going to separate to get 3 power 2x, then times 3 power 1, which is equal to 4 times 3 power 2x. Now let us factorize this 3 power 2x outside to get 3 power 2x, open bracket, here we have 3 power 2, then plus 3 power 1, 3 power 1, which is equal to 4 times 3 power 2. Now here we have 3 squared 3 power 2x, which is equal to 3 power 2 will be equal to 9, then plus 3, which is equal to 4 times 3 squared. Now here we'll have 3 power 2x, which is equal to, then times here we have and then here we have 12, which is equal to 4 times 3 power 2. Now, once we have 12, this can be as 3 power 2x, then 4 times 3, which is equal to 4 times 3 squared. Then you can put this 4 outside to get 3. 3 power 2x, then times 3, bracket of 4, because mathematics is commutative, and then 4, which is equal to 4 times 3 squared. Now, by 4 here, this one will be cancelled to get 3 squared times 3, which is equal to 3 squared. Now here we have by dividing 3 here, you have to know that here we have -1. Now this one will be cancelled to get 3 power 2x, which is equal to, now once we have here you have to know that once we have a power n over a power m, this is equal to a n minus m. This is what we're going to do here. Here will be equal to 3, 2 minus 1, which is equal to 3 power 2x, which is equal to 3 power 1. Now, once we have a base which are the same, this will mean that 2x will be equal to 1, and x will be equal to 1 over 2. Thank you so much. Keep watching. See you next time.